Welcome to Monday's Mindful Community Collective Meditation. We're thrilled that you're a part of our mindfulness community. Please share this meditation with others in your life so that this community continues to grow. Thank you for joining me in this 5-minute guided breathing meditation. Sometimes we only have 5 minutes in our day to take a pause and to breathe, and that's okay. In this meditation, we'll explore how to be naturally aware of your breathing in a way that helps relax the mind and the body. Let's get started. Find a comfortable posture, one that feels stable, balanced, and upright. You can let your eyes close or just look down at the ground in front of you, letting your gaze be soft and unfocused. If you like, you can take a few slow, deep breaths, breathing in deeply through your nose, breathing out through your mouth in a thin stream of air, long and slow. Just breathing in and breathing out. As we begin, set an intention to put down any thoughts of the past or future. For right now, all you have to do is be here and relax. The rest can wait. And in your own time, begin to notice the rhythm of your breathing. What lets you know that you're actually breathing? Where do you feel it? As you breathe in, you may notice sensations of swelling, lifting, or expanding. And as you breathe out, you may have a sense of loosening, releasing, or letting go. Just let your awareness begin to synchronize with your breathing, paying a little more attention to that feeling of settling and relaxation on the out breath. Let's just explore this for a few moments, tuning into the rhythmic sensations of breathing. How we pay attention to the breath is very important. If we relate to it with a sense of pressure, intensity, or force, the breath carries those qualities into the body, which begins to feel tight. If we approach the breath with a sense of spaciousness, with a light and easy attention, it carries those qualities into the body, which begins to feel light, open, and spacious. Breathing in, receiving, being nourished. Breathing out, relaxing, and letting go. And as this meditation comes to a close, you can bring your attention back to those simple, steady sensations of contact. Your feet on the floor, your bottom on the chair or cushion. You can allow your eyes to open if they've been closed. And now, with a relaxed mind and body, we are ready for whatever comes next in our day.
Thank you for joining us. We hope this meditation brings you peace